Okay guys, so on the first video I got a lot of negative reviews because I didn't completely finish the job. Okay, so I guess a lot of people don't believe that it will come completely off. Now I have my pants again with paint on it, so I'm going to show you how to completely remove the paint. I mean the complete video, all the way to the end. Okay, and again I'm going to use a carb cleaner. This one is different from the first video. I don't have the same carb cleaner, but this is a carb cleaner. And what we're gonna do, again, carb cleaner and white cloth. I will just soak it with a carb cleaner, okay? First. And you can start working on it right away, if you want. Okay, but you will see that the carb cleaner is already dissolving the paint. And this is actually latex paint or acrylic paint. Okay. And it's been there for, I would say, 2-3 weeks. It already went through the wash a couple times, so it's pretty well dried. Okay, but you see it's coming off. I'm not going to worry about this. This is covered by the top anyway. Now we can use a little alcohol maybe. See if that's going to help. I don't know, I never tried the alcohol, but you can see, I know that the alcohol will not remove it, just by itself. And I know it's not easy either. But I tried a lot of other things that didn't do anything. They didn't actually remove it at all. So I should I'll get some hot water. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't use the water right away, but we'll see. I'm gonna switch to a different part of the cloth. And again, this is gonna take a few minutes. Okay. Yeah, the acrylic paint is pretty tough to get rid of. Okay, let's get a little bit of alcohol here. Different part. It's actually, this is a ethyl alcohol. Okay, and I'm going to let it soak. And I'm going to start working on a different one. This one here. which I actually should have. I should have let it soak first. So let's do this one here and just let it soak. Okay. Just let it soak for a minute before I start working on it. And I'm going to even try the brush. Okay, and this is going to go. You can see it's completely from here, it's disappearing, okay? This spot I'm cleaning here. Now, this is going to take care of, this is something else, I don't know what the hell is that. I was not aiming for that part, but that blob of the paint that was there, it's almost gone. Okay, you cannot, pretty much you cannot see it, and I mean, after a couple of washes, if you go through the wash cycle, it's gonna be completely clean. Okay. You can see the thing disappearing. Alright? Now let's go on this one here. Seems like the brush actually works much better than the cloth. So again, you can see this thing going pretty well. Yep. Amazingly, the brush works much better. Okay? Now it just needs to go through the wash and the thing is pretty much gone. And I can show you at the end of the video, I'm going to throw it in the washer and just wash it. And I can show you the final result. Okay, you can see this one. Let's go on this one here. But you can see how it's melting right away, right? Under this. The problem is when there's a lot of paint, I'm just going to smear it. Yeah, this one is a big one. It's going to be a tough one. I think what I'm going to have to do here is to get it alcohol in a sprayer. Okay, again, this is just alcohol. so this one's going to take me a little bit longer, but you get the point, I hope. You know, you can just grab it. You can just grab the color cleaner and just try it yourself. You don't have to wait towards the end to see the results, because clearly on this one you can see the results, and on the other one too, but this big one's gonna take me a little bit longer. Okay, but it is disappearing. Yeah, but this is... Anyway, I'm gonna give this one just a few more minutes here. I don't think I have to bore you with this part. And who knows if I even want to get it completely clean. This one was the most important one because that was right by my rivets. So that looked like something. And this is kind of down on the fence, so that doesn't really bother me that much. But it would be nice to get it off too. Yeah, but it's disappearing too. It's just, it was a big blob of paint, so I might even give up on this one. I don't know. I don't know if I want to use up my energy too much here on my workbench. I can tell you this one was there at least for maybe a year. These are fresh ones. These are not fresh ones, but these are a few weeks old. Yeah, this. And I just remember on this one here, I tried to wipe it off with the water. So maybe when I used the water to wipe it off, maybe that got deeper in the cloth. Is going. You can definitely see the progress here, okay? I don't know if I want to waste my time on this one. So anyway, at this point, I'm just going to rinse it with the hot water. Yeah. See if I work on this maybe for 10 more minutes, it's gonna come out too. But I just don't want to waste my energy and your time. Well, actually it's going to be interesting to see after I throw this in the wash how that's going to look. If you're not happy with it after you wash it, you can always give it another shot again. Okay. Now this is to me. This is not. This is okay. A little hot water. Oh, it stinks. lot of carb cleaner for my lungs. Not exactly good. Let's get it. Ouch. And too hot too. So anyway, I'm gonna... these gloves are not exactly good either. I'm just gonna stop right now, right here. I'll throw it in a wash and I'll show it to you when the wash is done. Okay guys, so here is the final project, okay? Just came from the dryer, and one of the spots was right here, I believe, somewhere here. Okay, one of them was right on this pocket here. Actually it was all the way up to this point. I didn't clean this one, if you remember, because it was under this thing, so that's just still there, even though it came off too, I guess. I got some carburetor cleaner on it too, but I think I made a little mistake. I mean, it looks good, but you can see it's a little bit lighter. Like this part here is lighter, and this part here is lighter. It seems like worn out, but what happened here, I used chlorinated carburetor cleaner. So that chlorinated actually is the problem. That eat up the color of the pants a little bit. So I never had a chlorinated before, and I don't know how I end up with this one, but just use unchlorinated or just a regular carb cleaner. The one on the first video was actually the best one. Just a regular carb cleaner, okay? And after you wash it, it's just, you know, just should come out just like that. No problem. There's still a little bit paint leftovers here, maybe somewhere else, I don't know, but I didn't get those, so I'm not worried about those that much. I mean, this was the big piece that was right here, and that's gone, and this one right here in a bad spot for white paint. Okay, so I'm sure I'm gonna get some thumbs down again, but you just can't win. Anyway, cheers.